Experience a stylish cleaning with Dreamy P10 Pro. It's built with light weight to keep you stylish in the cleanup. Yet the suction is strong enough for daily use. With LED screen, you get to see the suction mode and battery life. All the features come together to help you clean for up to 60 minutes without breaking a sweat. To meet regional cleaning needs, we've designed specific brush heads based on countries, and it works well. Dreamy P10 Pro. Vacuums with style.
Innovation Triflex HX1. Experience the extreme suction of Miele's Vortex technology combined with a powerful electro brush. As strong as Miele's most powerful corded vacuum series, now in a cordless stick vacuum. The new Miele Triflex HX1.
Alright, so first the extender gets the height I want, and then the power button right here is on the back. Go ahead and press it. And there is a min and max button here. You can make it higher power. And I'm going to go ahead and stick the bottom here. I'll just under my table. Okay guys, so you have the option to place these attachments straight on the base, or you can actually use the extender as well, but for this I'm just going to attach it straight to the base. And then as you can see, this is a straight brush, but I actually want to use the bristle side, so I can go ahead and press this button down and just slide it up, and now I have all these bristles. But this is really great for fabrics and curtains, so I'll go ahead and show you that. Things like curtains, blinds. Here's the other great attachment. This is really great for getting deep in the crevices of a couch or other chairs. Alright guys, last but not least, like I said, you can have the extension bar here with the attachment as well. And something like this, especially this attachment, is really great for things like stairs. And because it's cordless, it's super easy to use. I also just want to call out how quiet this vacuum is. That is a super nice feature of it. It's not too loud, doesn't hurt your ears, and I just super love that it's cordless. Okay, so I've shown you a lot of things about this. The last thing I'm going to go ahead and show you is how it charges on its base. I think it's super convenient, so I just wanted to spend a minute to show you what that looks like. Alright guys, so the last thing I want to show you is this really nice base that keeps everything really organized while it's charging. So you can go ahead and put the cord in the back, and then as you can see here, there's a spot for each of the attachments, and this just helps keep everything organized, and then just you can set it on a table or a floor or even under your couch, and it's perfectly really easy to use and ready to go. So last thing I just want to comment is that it does come with this nice little brush, and this is really nice because when you actually empty it, you can clean the filter with this brush. You just do this, and that's going to keep the longevity of this vacuum. So I just really love this vacuum. I just love everything it comes with. It's super easy to use, and it's really powerful.
hope you like our video. Please subscribe to our channel and comment down below.